open it.
Probably a phone inside.
It's heavy though. Like,
iPad.
Open it up. What did you get?
Picture frame.
A picture frame.
yeah.
Do you know what that picture frame is for?
No.
Any guess?
What?
Any guesses?
No.
You and your brother have a photography session this afternoon?
What?
No.
You can,
That.
you can wear your new clothes in
For
it?
when you're secretly about to tell me that I'm gonna meet Justin Bieber?
For when I'm secretly about to tell you that you are going to the meet and greet.
No, I'm not. Oh my god! Oh my god!
And that is for your picture with Justin Bieber.
Oh my god!
And you're not sitting on the lower level on the side. You're sitting on the floor on the third row.
Why did you do this to me?
And you are going to the meet and greet, and you are going to meet Justin Bieber and get your picture made with Justin Bieber.
Oh my god!
I'm scared.
Is this a joke?
No,